University is a huge decision, and we understand that actually sometimes you need to change your decision, you need to flex it, and that's fine.
It's really normal to feel uncertain, and the clearing process can give you an opportunity to explore some different options and things that might be available to you that you hadn't thought about before.
All of our courses are available through clearing. We're really happy to answer any questions that you have, either as a member of the lecturing team like me or our amazing admissions team. So please do get in touch. We're really happy to help.
The experience of joining Arts University Plymouth is going to be a really experimental one.
You will absolutely spend a lot of time with your own course, but also you will mix with a whole vibrant community of people studying a real range of creative subjects.
From fashion, textiles, graphic design, to games, arts and animation.
I would really recommend coming along to one of our open days. It will give you a real taster of what it's like to study here with us. But if you can't make our next open day, then drop our admissions team an email and we would be happy to give you a tour of the building so that you can get a flavour of what Arts University Plymouth is really about. We spend a lot of time getting to know our students on a one-to-one basis so that we can help you get the right career pathway that's for you.
Our Industry Connections specialises in bridging the gap from education to employment, from live briefs and competitions to attending talks with industry and world-leading speakers.
Stepping through the door at Arts University Plymouth feels special, and studying here, working here feels the same. I would say for anyone looking to apply for a place through clearing, come somewhere where you're part of something, come somewhere where you're part of a community, and come somewhere that you can be creative in a safe, supportive and nurturing environment. Come to Arts University Plymouth.